Hi guys, in this tutorial I'll teach you how you can add a booking calendar on your Wix.com website. So if you want to set up a calendar that looks like this, keep on watching. Just so you know, this is already a pre-made template, so if you're just looking for an easy solution, it's very easy to find loads of templates on Wix.com that already has a calendar like this preset. But I'll teach you how to add one from scratch if you don't have one on the template you've chosen. So here I have a blank website, and the first thing is to go into your website editor like so, and then go up to add element here. From here, I want you to go down to bookings, and then we need to add a booking system to the site. So click add to site here on the blue button, and then just wait a moment. Once it's done, you'll end up on a page like this. Ignore this for now, and now we go back to the elements button up here again, bookings, and then we go down to, where is it? To calendar or book button here. So in this case, you want to add this calendar here, as that's where you can take bookings, or you could add one like this. It depends on what you like for your business. There's lots of different options to choose from, but let's just go with the classic, this one. So click on it, and now it's automatically going to get added to your site. From here, we need to obviously set it up. So start by clicking on Manage Services right here. And now you will be taken to the dashboard page where you can start setting up services for your specific website or business. So in this case, it's a nail salon. So let's go up here in the search bar and search nail salon, like this. And now we have some already pre-made appointments that we can set up. Or you can just start from scratch and add your own appointments if you have some sort of different website or a different beauty salon. In this case, let's just set up the pre-made gel pedicure service here. So just click on it, and then we can set it up. From here, we simply scroll down, we put the price, and we can also create memberships and packages. We won't not do that, as most salons don't do it. But let's say we want to charge, let's say 100 for the gel manicure. And then you can also do a payment preference. So here you can choose if they need to pay the entire amount online up front, if they need to pay in person, if they need to make an online deposit or similar. Let's say we want an online deposit of, let's say 30. And then you can also set location. You can set up your staff members here. So that's how we set up the basics of the product or the service you can offer. Once you're ready, click save here, and then click save anyways. Now you should have a page that looks like this on your dashboard for your booking system. And now you can set up your hours, you can create your booking forms, send reminders, and many more features. However, to actually be able to have the service active on your site, you need to have a Wix upgraded plan. So presuming that you are a professional business and you have your own domain, you'll already be having a premium plan, so this probably won't be an issue for you. But if you don't, simply just click upgrade now here, click go to settings, and then you can be taken to the upgrading site where you can then set up your Wix.com website for online bookings. And yeah, that is pretty much the basics of setting up a booking calendar on Wix.com, and then you can customize it to your liking, of course, and the staff members, available hours, etc. But that's pretty much it. Let me know if you have any other questions in the comments below, and I'll try my best to help you in a new video or as a comment. Thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed it.